Rain cascades down the window as Lena sits amidst her colorful toys and books. Yet a sigh escapes her lips, painting a portrait of pure boredom. From beneath her bed, a glimmering object emerges, an old paintbrush with bristles of radiant gold, capturing Lena's immediate curiosity. With a stroke of the brush, a vibrant red ball springs to life from the paper, leaving a trail of golden dust in its wake, as Lena's eyes widen in disbelief and excitement. It's magic! Bathed in the soft lamplight, Lena sits at her desk, her brow furrowed in concentration. The magical brush lies lifeless in her hand. She tries to paint a puppy, a bicycle, a rainbow. Nothing. Lena slumps, her voice barely a whisper. "Why won't you work? I should have shared you." On the village green, beneath the old willow, Lena and Tommy create a playground out of thin air. As they work together, the brush glows with increasing intensity, illuminating their shared dream. Children swarm the playground, their laughter echoing as Lena smiles, filled with joy. Tommy says, "See? Sharing really does make things better." Lena replies, "Way better."